Okay, today guys I want to teach you how to router, and first of all you need your PPE, your earmuffs and safety glasses. Put them on, then to use this you need obviously a router, but first of all unplug it, make sure the plug's on, check your lead, check it if there's no cuts in anything in there, put it on straight and just plug it back in. Yeah. Adjust this, release the catch here, you know, up and down like that, and then I'm just going to use this dip here and tighten this and then turn it on here. Now before you start routing you have to make sure you start up here so it doesn't kick back on you, that's dangerous. First of all you got this. Make sure you wait for it to slow down so it doesn't damage the template here. So you know it's safe to release. And when you put it down, put it on its side and turn the plug off here.